What's good, guys? It's your girl Leighanne, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a what I got for Christmas haul. Now, I know some people might not like these, but these are like some of my favorite videos to watch at the Christmas time, so I thought, what the heck, why not do one? Someone might enjoy it. I won't enjoy rewatching it, but it is what it is. So, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and yeah, let's get into the video. So for starters, I got the Jeffree Star Thirsty palette, which really wanted this, really glad I got it. My mom got me this, so yeah. There's going to be a video up on this if you want to see how I got this look using this palette. Link will be in the down bar if you want to check it out when it goes up. Yeah. So next I got some shoes. These are the Adidas Ortholite? I don't know. They're maroon Adidas's. I got them in a size 8, and I got these from my mom. So yeah. Next, I got, these are from my grandma. I got the Victoria's Secret 2018 collection. So I got the shirt that goes with it. This is Victoria's Secret NYC 2018. And I also got the really comfy, like velvety Victoria's Secret shorts. I wanted these so bad. They're so cute, so comfy. If you have the opportunity to get a pair, because they are worth it. Next from my grandma, I also got a pair of gray, oh, they're already dirty, gray slip-on Vans. I also got these in a size 8, and yeah, they're Vans. Everybody needs a pair. They're good shoes. I got from my brother and sister-in-law, I got the Kim Kardashian, I think it's black cherry. Is it black cherry? It's Kimoji cherry, and this smells so good. Like, you need to go into your Ulta and check out the way this smells, because this is fantastic. I also got from my mom, I got the Kimoji Peach, which, that one kind of smells like cherries, but like, does cherry really have a smell? This one smells like a peach. Like when you bite into a peach or like you cut into a peach, this smells identical to a peach. Like if you like peaches, you just need to check this out because this is everything. And on me particularly, this does not smell like BO. Like I know people have a problem with that. This smells really good and wears really nicely on me. So check these out. Give them a smell. They're worth stopping to look at. So then also from my grandma came through this year with the sweatpants and the sweatpants like items. She got me an American Eagle, which the sleeves are not up because I've been wearing it. She got me an American Eagle like zip up hood jacket, and it's got the little pulls to make the hood tighter. This is so soft. Like if you're talking about a soft jacket, you need to check this out. This is the softest thing I've ever worn. And it's just a regular old black jacket. And it says American Eagle on it. It's kind of got like a grayer black on the bottom. This is so comfy and so good because in Texas, it's just now starting to get like cold. Like it's been cold, but it's not been like cold. Then also from my grandma, I got a new bag, which I didn't ask for a bag this year, so I was pretty excited when my grandma came through and got me a bag. It is a backpack bag with the straps, and it has a pocket back here. And then all my junk's already in it, but it has a lift up and you can unbuckle the front too, and it's just full of my stuff. So let me know down below if you want to see a updated what's in my bag now that I have a new bag, because this bag's full of junk already and I just got it. So next, these are from my mom. Like this year was the year of like comfy clothes for me, and I'm not mad about it. I got a pair of the Adidas Slim just sweatpants. They have like the jogger bottoms and they say Adidas on the side, and they're just black pants and they're comfy and they're sweatpants, and I can't go wrong with sweatpants. Then I also got, this is from my grandma, the sweatpants that match. This is not a very good put together video. I got the sweatpants that match. They just came out of the dryer, so I have to pull the legs out. I got these sweatpants that match that jacket, and these, oh my god, you need these in your life. Like, they just say Adidas, or they say American Eagle down the side. They have pockets. And if I didn't have to take these off, I wouldn't. Like, if I did not have to take these off to film this video, I would still be in them. They're just jogger style. They have the, oh, and they're dirty on the bottom. Gross. They have the jogger style bottom, and they come up really high. These are just the most comfiest sweatpants ever. And when this video's over, I'll be putting them back on. Yeah. Then I got the Park Ave Princess Bronzer set. It just looks like this. Super cute. I've never actually seen this before. I didn't know this was a thing, so I'm excited to try this. And then I also got the, which is already scratched, the Tardis Pro palette from my grandma. And I'm really excited to use this too. Like, the colors in this are so pretty. And this, like, this shade in the corner right here is everything. Like, oh, it's so pretty. Like, I just want to wear it over my whole body. It's that pretty. Then I have 2 more clothing items. I got, that's my sports bra. It doesn't go in this bag. Next I got just an Adidas. My mom couldn't find the hoodie, so she got me just the shirt that kind of matched the hoodie, and it just says Adidas. And it's long sleeve, and it's warm, and it's pink, and I love pink. It's my favorite color. So then the final items are, I got a Jeffree Star mystery box for Christmas, and I got the middle one, which if you watch any of those videos, you all know they're the same, and that's a big, huge deal. The only difference was the shirts, which I love the shirt I got. I got just the red one. If I can open it. Just the red one that has his logo on it, and it's in a 2X, so it's super big and comfy. You know, I like it. It's really soft. His shirts are really nice quality. Like, I'm super pleased with this shirt. And then makeup-wise, I got 4 liquid lipsticks, but I already owned the shade Watermelon Soda, so I gave that one to my sister-in-law. But I got Baby Daddy, which I'll just swatch them right here. I got Baby Daddy, which is just this, like, cool-toned brown shade. I also got Fudge Pop, which I haven't swatched any of these yet, so. Which is just, like, a really metallic brown shade, which I'm really excited to wear that. That's really pretty. I love wearing a good brown lipstick. And then Delicious. So these are all from the family. Ooh, that's pretty. So these are all from the family collection, or these 2 were. And then I have Watermelon Soda, so I'll swatch it for you. I got Watermelon Soda. But like I said, I already owned it, so I gave that one to someone who would use it. And then I got 2 bullet lipsticks. This sparkly one is an Allegedly, which is, I think, out of all the lipsticks I got, this is my favorite shade. Which is really weird because it's just like a reddy, that was a terrible swatch. It's like a reddy brick brown. It's just so pretty. I like to top Baby Daddy over the top of it. That's what I'm wearing today. And it just makes like a really nice muted, like, I don't know how to describe it, but it's really pretty. It's like a bricky red, but not as so red. And then the other one is Jeffree's Girl, which I'm going to tell you right now, I have no idea. Wow, these swatches are not doing it for me today. I have no idea when I'm ever going to wear pink that bright. I don't have teeth that white. So, oh, she's dirty. She's fine. And then finally, I got 2 Skin Frosts. I got Regina George, which is just this pink one. Everybody knows Regina George. And then this one I'm really excited to use too. If I can get them open, I can't get these open. This is Dark Horse. And for my skin tone, I think it's going to be kind of dark. Or it is going to be kind of dark. But like, that would be such a pretty like bronzer topper. Like, that would be so pretty. In like the summertime, when you're real bronze, you just want to top it off. That would be so pretty. I'm excited to use these. And then finally, I got just a Jeffree Pop socket, which came in my box. So yeah. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video of what I got for Christmas. Let me know what you got for Christmas down in the comments below. I'd love to hear about it. You know, tag me in pictures on the internet if you follow me. I'd love to know what you got for Christmas. But yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. And let me know what you want to see next. Bye!